you can see the horses. You'll see it right there. There's loads of horses. I think there's like 6 horses. Because I thought, when I got there, I thought the horse was a cow.
Really?
Oh my, yeah, I thought.
So.
It had a color like a cow or something like that. I even thought I was like a mini version of it. You see the horses? There we go. There we go. There we go. And then we see the nice view. See, it's a great view. Tony, the white one, come on. Dad, I know one of the horses' names. You know the white one, yeah?
Yeah.
His name is Tony.
Just Tony.
Yeah. I saw the owner once and I said, what is the white one's name? Dad, he has small ears. That's why horses can't hear. They have small ears.
Go.
They're even like Dracula. So, guys, you hear the nature? Oh, the cranes. See, look. And, by this, is real nature. And look at the sunshine. It's beautiful out here. Wow. Yeah, that's all. Sunshine. It's great. But the nature all around here. You can see it, look. So many natures. And now, by looking at it, it's real nature for